azul. Mira, Peep. So much blue up there.
Why is it blue, though?
I wonder. Oh, the sky and the water, Pip. Look how they match. The sky and the sea. Both blue.
But why blue? Why not red? Why not green?
Buena pregunta. Good question. The sun sends light down to us. All kinds of light, all mixed together. And the sky? The sky takes the blue part and holds on to it. Very strong, very tight. Muy fuerte, very tight.
Huh? The sky is grabbing it? How?
Kind of. The tiny things in the air, they love the blue light. They bounce it everywhere. When we look up, everything is blue.
I didn't know that.
Oh, neither did I the first time I looked.
Coco looked up at the sky one day, at the pool by the sea where the wavelets play. Porque azul, why azul, she said. The great big blue over her head. Azul, blue, the sky up above. Azul, blue, the color I love. El sol sends the light. The sky keeps the blue and shares it with me and with you. The sun sends light in every shade, but the sky grabs blue, that's how it's made. Tiny little things up in the air, they bounce the blue azul everywhere. Azul, blue, the sky up above. Azul, blue, the color I love. El sol sends the light, the sky keeps the blue and shares it with me and with you. Look down in the water at the tide pool's face. El cielo, the sky in the very same place. El mar y el cielo, the sea and the sky. Both azul, both blue, side by side. Azul, blue, the sky up above. Azul, blue, the color I love. El sol sends the light, the sky keeps the blue and shares it with me and with you.
But what happens at sunset? When it turns orange? Orange?
Oh, Pip. That's a whole other wonder. Let's find out someday. Until the next adventure, friends. Hasta la próxima aventura, friends.
Coco, ay, Fresa.